Hey guys, welcome back to Douglas's Model Garage's videos, and we're puddling along on the Bronco and the 57 Ford here, but I snuck out of the house, being payday, and I went to my local Hobby Lobby, got my favorite glue right here. I know how much love you guys love my favorite glue, so I just had to go get some more so I could share the glue with you. Um, I seen these brand new markers they had. It's called Liquid Chrome. They have dual tip, $3.99 a piece. So that's like half the price of those other markers they used to sell that you had to get the refills for. And it has on the marker itself, even if you take it out of the package and lose the package, it still shows you how to use it. So they have a chrome, as you can see right here. So, and they got a gold also, which is pretty cool. They have a 3.0 mm point on one side and a 2.0 mm on the other side. So I definitely would be checking these out to show you what these are all about right here. So definitely those are good buy right there. Then I was in the clearance area and I found a unique color right here. Let me see. It is satin brown, leather brown. And I figure I use this for a build when my next build I do. So, and I'm just itching to build another Bronco because I'm working on this Bronco right here, which you see is the chassis of it so far. I just got done putting some panel liner on there to give it a little bit of dirt on the engine. So, but back to the stuff from Hobby Lobby. I found me a low rider. So this is the 70 Monty Carlo lowrider. I have not seen a build video on one of these guys. I mean, guys, what are you waiting on? Come on, JT and JT and um, can't remember you other guys' names. But you guys gotta get on this one. You gotta build one so I can see what it looks like. Give me some ideas on this. So there's one I found, and I had to get me another Daytona Shelby Z. This thing comes. If you look at the photo right here on the side of the box, it actually comes with three engines. It comes with a V8, turbo four-cylinder, and then it comes with the intercooled four-cylinder also. So that is pretty dang cool. I mean, you have three engines in one Shelby. And a cool idea would be with this is how they did the Renault 5 Turbo and they put the engine in the back? If you got enough parts, you could probably put the second four-cylinder or another V8 in the back of this and put one in the front. Just give you ideas. I got some ideas. But that's I'll get up, and that's my haul from Hobby Lobby for today. So thanks for watching. Have a good day, guys. All right, bye.